Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. We'll be cooking this moi moi today. We'll be baking the moi moi because it's baked moi moi. So guys, let's start. And here are the things I used. I already peeled my beans off camera and I used my blender. I've been soaking this for over 2 hours so that it will blend smoothly. I'll be putting the link of how to easily peel off the skin of your beans in the description box below. I also have some chicken broth, and with this chicken broth I will not be adding any other oil because there is oil in the chicken broth and there is oil in this sardine, so I will not be adding any other vegetable oil in the moi moi. I will also be adding this mackerel, which also contains a little bit of oil, mackerel in tomato sauce, and I also be adding crayfish. And guys, please make sure you salt your crayfish, otherwise there will be sand in the moi moi. This is what I got from salting the crayfish. You can see that small quantity. I got all this rubbish from it. I don't think only washing crayfish will help you out. Please make sure you sort it out. Then I also be adding some hot dog, which I've already sliced off camera. I have some seasoning cube and habanero pepper. I will also be making use of ginger garlic paste. The recipe will be in the description box below. I have some eggs and I also have sweet paprika and onion. I'll be blending this together with the crayfish. Yeah, I also have some salt as well. So guys, let's start blending all the blendables. So I will add everything inside my blender. Top it up with water to enable it to blend. Don't add too much water if you are using chicken or meat broth, but that's not a must. You don't necessarily have to use it. Blend the paste, then pour it out. Finish up with the remaining one, and ta-da! This is what I got. Then I'll be adding the chicken broth. Then I follow it up with ginger garlic paste. This has been almost 7 months I prepared this particular one. Then I've already crushed the bouillon off camera with my pestle, because you know when eating moi moi and you chop bouillon that is not well mixed, you will not like the feeling and the taste in your mouth. So I normally have to crush it first before adding it. Then I will be adding the tomato inside the mackerel. Because it's fillets, I will use my fork to mash it up a bit before introducing it to the blended beans. You can equally blend the fish together with the beans, but I like to be chewing off those small pieces of fish while eating the moi moi. So I'll be adding some salt to taste. Then it's time to add the oil from the sardine. Then I'll be keeping this aside for later use. Stir very well. Make sure you mix everything together. Scrape the ones by the side so that you taste for salt. Just like so. And after doing that, please give this video a thumbs up and click on that share button. Yeah, everything tasted so good. So what I'll be doing is to add parchment paper, and I'll be making cut at the edge of the parchment paper so that it will fit my square shape pan. Just like so. Then I will add the paste, the pudding. Time to introduce the sardine. So I will be putting it like so. Then I also be topping it up with the hot dogs, the eggs, just to decorate it, and you know, it adds some nutrients and taste to it. You don't need to just cook the moi moi plain, because the carbohydrate in the beans is even more than the protein in it. And after putting it, I will cover it up with a foil because you don't want it to dry out inside the oven. Then I'll be placing hot water under the oven because you want to steam it. Then I will cover, set the timer for 60 minutes. And after 60 minutes, the middle part is not well cooked. Then I put it back for another 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, voila! This is what I got. So yummy, so beautiful. You can even lift it up and take it out from the pan. So guys, I will be dividing it now to dish it out for my family. And you guys are welcome to join us. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.